Hi guys. So who else loves breakfast buffet? I mean, what's not to love? They're a fantastic way to start the day and they're so versatile. I mean, you can just put anything you want in them, from fresh fruits to granola to yogurt to nuts. And the best part is they are super healthy too. I mean, you can pack them with nutrients and vitamins to give you a boost to take on your day. So for this my recipe, I'm going to be using strawberries and I'm also going to be using kiwi. But you can literally put any fruit you want in this. It's so good. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this up. You cut all your fruits that you're going to be using up and then you get ready to assemble. So one of the biggest challenges when it comes to making healthy breakfast is the time, right? I mean, we are all busy and mornings can be so chaotic. So it's just so easy to reach for something quick and easy like cereal or piece of toast. But those options can be pretty boring after a while. So I mean, it's good to just level it up, you know. So if you're looking for something good to make in the mornings, you can just go ahead and make yourself a breakfast buffet. So time for assembling. Firstly, we're just going to layer our yogurt. So I'm using Greek yogurt. I prefer using Greek yogurt for this recipe. So we're just going to layer that and then we're going to go in with our granola. So this granola is very nice. It contains coconut flakes, raisins, some nuts. It's so healthy. So we're just going to layer this in. And then you're going to go ahead and put your fruits. So I went in with the kiwi first. And then I'm just going to go in with the strawberries. And when you're done with that, you just go ahead and put the yogurt on top of it. And that's how you go and assemble your buffet. So just follow this step: yogurt, granola, fruits, then yogurt again until you get to the top. And then we're going to garnish that with drizzle of honey. It makes it so good and so yummy, you know, just because we're using the Greek yogurt. So if you want it a little sweet, you go in with the honey on top of it. So this is very good because, you know, a good breakfast can make all the difference in our day. It gives us energy, it gives us focus, and it sets us up for success. So what's not to love, right? Now this is very, very good and very, very creative. So now I'm just going to go on and layer the drizzle of honey. So I'm just going to go on and do the same to the other glass. Yogurt, granola, fruits, yogurt, granola, fruits, yogurt, and then the honey. And that's it. You have a very healthy and nutritious breakfast and it fills you up so well. It's really, really good. They're so easy to make and they're perfect, okay? And healthy breakfasts on the go. Just keep it simple, keep it customizable, and keep it delicious. Alright, by incorporating these buffets into your morning routine, you'll be setting yourself up for a very healthy and happy day. They're so yummy, I know. Okay, so just go on and do the same. And then you fill them up and it's ready to be eaten. You're ready for your breakfast buffet. So yummy and so good. hope you enjoyed this video up to here. If you do, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And guys, please don't skip my ads, okay? If you can, please watch my ads. Alright? No skipping, okay? Thank you. And there we have it, our healthy, nutritious breakfast buffet. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite parfait ideas. Okay, thank you, bye.